How to highlight in Notes app on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Notes application on your phone. Once you're here, you can view all your notes on this page. Open any note from here. Hold and select a text from here and then tap on the font icon below. You can view and try out all the options below to change the format of the text. From the options, tap on the highlight icon as shown. As you can see, the text is now highlighted. You can also change the highlight color if you want. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. You can follow the same procedure for any of your notes as you like. Following these steps, you can easily highlight in Notes app on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.